Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Outlook to Notion the easy way using Zapier. Now, this is a really powerful setup because it allows you to automatically send emails, calendar events, or other Outlook data directly into Notion. So instead of manually copying things back and forth, everything stays organized in one place automatically. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple automation workflow running in the background that saves you time and keeps your digital life much more organized. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. If you've never used it before, don't worry at all. It's designed to be beginner-friendly. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button at the top or center of the screen. Click on it and then select Zap. Now, a Zap is just an automation. Think of it like a small assistant that performs actions for you automatically whenever something happens. For example, when a new email arrives in Outlook, Zapier can take that email and send it directly into Notion without you doing anything manually. Now let's move on to Setup. Zapier has a helpful feature called Copilot. This makes things much easier because instead of building everything step by step, you can simply type what you want. In the search or prompt box, type something like Connect Outlook to Notion. Zapier will automatically start building your automation for you. This is really helpful because it removes most of the technical setup and guides you through the process in a simple way. Now you'll see a few steps called Actions and Triggers. Don't worry, this just means what starts the automation and what happens next. First, you need to connect your Outlook account. Click on the section that asks you to sign in and enter your Microsoft Outlook login details. Sometimes Outlook may ask for a verification code. This is completely normal and is just for security purposes. Once Outlook is connected, now it's time to connect to Notion. Click on the Notion connection step, then sign in to your Notion account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if you have more than one. After logging in, you'll need to allow Zapier permission to access Notion. This is important because it allows data from Outlook to be sent into your Notion pages or databases. Now let's move to the next step. Once both accounts are connected, you'll see a setup screen where you can choose what exactly you want to send from Outlook to Notion. For example, you can choose emails with a specific label, important flagged emails, or even calendar events. This step is important because it defines what kind of information gets transferred automatically. Take your time here and make sure everything is selected correctly. Now, once everything is set, it's time to finalize the automation. Look for the Publish button and click on it. When you do this, your Zap becomes active. From this point on, Zapier will automatically run in the background. That means every time the trigger happens in Outlook, the information will instantly be sent to Notion without you doing anything manually. And that's really the power of this setup. It saves time, reduces manual work, and keeps everything organized in one place. Now, before we finish, here are a couple of quick tips. First, always double-check your trigger settings so you don't send unnecessary data into Notion. Second, start simple. Maybe just emails first, then expand later to calendar events or labels. This makes your automation more stable and easier to manage. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Outlook to Notion using Zapier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you want help with more automation setups or Notion workflows. Now let's quickly summarize everything we did. First, we opened Zapier and created a new Zap. Then, we used Copilot to start the Outlook to Notion automation. Next, we connected our Outlook account securely. After that, we connected Notion and granted permissions. Then we selected what data to send from Outlook. Finally, we published the Zap and activated the automation. And now your Outlook and Notion are fully connected and working together automatically.